As we begin our meditation, I want to call your attention to today's daily word. The word today is gratitude. As I embrace gratitude, I am filled with an awareness of greatness. It might be tempting to think that we need things, items, and events to be grateful for before we can truly feel gratitude. However, Unity Minister Eric Butterworth suggested that it's possible to experience the feeling of gratitude without needing a special reason to be grateful. Just feel it, he advised, adding that as we simply allow ourselves to feel grateful, the flow of intelligence and love and peace and power come through us and manifest as us effectively. The practice of gratitude, Butterworth explained, gets us into a full of greatness consciousness. As I generate gratitude, it lifts my heart, quickens my mind and body, and centers me in the flow of good that is present everywhere. This Thanksgiving is like rain falling upon ready soil, writes Charles Fillmore, refreshing it and increasing its productivity. And so I invite you now to relax in your seats. Remove any distractions that you may be holding on to. Take a deep breath and let go of any thoughts that challenge to compete for your peace of mind. As you need to, move your neck slowly, allowing your head to feel light. As you move down through your shoulders, feel that energy of that breath that you take, relieving any tension you may have, and in your arms, down through your hands. Just breathe into any discomfort. Any thoughts that may be disturbing, just breathe into them and allow them to float away. As you breathe, continue to feel that healing power, that energy, gratefully expanding throughout your limbs. Feel your circulation greatly improving down to your ankles, your heels and the toes. Allow that soothing sound to penetrate your body and your mind. Take another deep, relaxing breath and sit restfully, allowing your breathing to ride on the waves of that amazing flute. Just breathe. Take another deep, relaxing breath. As you return your attention to this time, in this now moment, in this place, feeling a resurgence of a sense of gratitude. And as you go about the remainder of this day and the days to come, remember to live in a state of gratitude. Every day is thanks living. Thank you, God. And so it is.